Yo, I'm so happy right now. Yeah, I can tell where I'm at. Look at the flowers behind me. First place I've seen them, and I always never forget, is Kingston. Right now we by Devon House. If you look to the right, Devon House over there. Alright, yeah. Look behind me again, more of my flowers again. Yeah, man. It's nice over there, the truth. My baby in front of me just chilling. So yeah, I'm walking on the streets of Kingston. Yep. Love it, 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 love it. Y'all know I'm a Kingstonian by birth, right? Love my city. Always have, always will. Beautiful, the cars passing by over there. Nice houses, buildings. But of course, this is my Kingston. Say cheese, baby. Getting really in the mood right now. Policeman hard at work, directing traffic. Look at that nice, smooth water over there. Shit, let me put on my mask. Trying to get my mask on here. Jeez, guys. Come on. Yes, officer. We just passed by Devon House. That's where we at. Wop, 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 wop. Wop, 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 whoop. So we just left Devon House and we walked down the street. See, lady just passed a policeman with no mask on. No, so I don't need no cab. It's 2 minutes. Baby, slow down. Come here. Come here. Come here. Now ask you, what do you feel like you want to eat? Now ask you together. But no, what do you feel like you want to?
Wherever you take me.
Alright, we'll figure it out. Yeah, what we're gonna eat, etc., etc. So we're doing it little by little, step by step. So it's to the other side of Devon. What's this? No, it's not Devon House. I think we just passed here with the guy, right? I think
No.
it's Garden House or King's House or the Governor General. I'm not quite sure where we're at
No,
now.
this is part of the Devon House Mansion. It's the
Oh.
one you pay the tickets to.
Oh, wow. See, my wife knows that. Okay. So it's part of Devon House Mansion. I didn't know all that. And look at all this, nice and pretty. We passed all these mango trees. So this is the Lingam Valley tree, the national tree. Just look at it. Yeah. These plants right here I grew up with these in my yard. These are very, very, very Kingstonian plants. Jamaican plant, but I always see them in Kingston mostly. Wow, it's just good to be walking the streets of Kingston, y'all. Y'all don't know it. Feels good. But this is not my neighborhood, y'all. I'm uptown right now. Oh, damn, bad roads. I almost break my damn leg. So lead us back to another side of Devon House. So yeah, I remember we used to come on the grass up here. People used to make out and do all that stuff. See? Yeah, it's another part of a different house. Yeah. I think what she was talking about. I think I'm coming down to, what square am I coming down to? I'm not sure. I'm about to, it's an old phone anyway. Somebody grab it, it's old. That's what I needed. It's old and shabbity-dabbity. Something's happened too. So yeah. So from the streets, up to here, look on what's outside we live. So yeah, like on the other side, see all the traffic. It's the other side of the street over there. So we're coming down to a major intersection. This is Hope Road and, so this leads us down to halfway tree. Hope Road and, damn, I can't even see the other intersection. Is it Waterloo Road? Yeah. Waterloo Road and Hope Road. Okay, I know this area.
Where are we going?
We're just gonna go right there. Hope Road and Waterloo Road. Alright guys, so just a little bit of walking, so this is the intersection where we at right here. Alright. Alright y'all, I'm gonna get with y'all later on. Alright, bye.